everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. Today we are at Bells Mill Park, which has just received some brand new outdoor fitness equipment. So come on out here, this equipment is free to use, and we actually have 4 other parks in Chesapeake with outdoor fitness equipment: Elizabeth River Park, Deep Creek Lock Park, City Park, and Oak Grove Lake Park. Now we have a lot coming up this week in Chesapeake. There is a Medicare information series for the 55 and better community. This will be at Dr. Clarence V. Cuppy Community Center from 10 to 11 a.m. Please call to reserve your space. Food trucks on the square will be at Courtyard Square Park behind City Hall on Wednesday from 4 p.m. to dusk. Head on out there for some family fun, some live entertainment, and of course, delicious food truck food. REI in Virginia Beach will be presenting the first Wednesdays in the Wild of the season. The theme of this class is how to run with your dog. This will be on Wednesday from 6 to 7 p.m. at Oak Grove Lake Park. It's a presentation, not a running event, so you don't have to worry about bringing all of your gear to go running on the trails, but we do ask that you RSVP for that in advance. Rolling on the River will be your second food truck event of the week. This will be at Elizabeth River Park on Thursday from 5 p.m. to dusk. On Saturday morning, there is a guided nature walk at Western Branch Park from 9 to 11 a.m. We do ask that you register online, but that's a great program for all ages to learn about the flora and fauna out there. Saturday Sundays will be at Elizabeth River Park on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is going to be with the Back Bay Amateur Astronomers, and you can see sunspots and solar flares. It's really cool and it's free. There is a youth painting workshop on Saturday at Indian River Community Center. It is a summer theme and it is $15 a child. And our very first Movie and More of the season kicks off at Western Branch Park with Charlotte's Web. This will be on Saturday. The event starts at 6 p.m. It will have inflatables, food vendors, face painting, crafts, and activities for the kids. The movie will begin around dusk. It is free. We do ask that you bring a lawn chair or a picnic blanket to sit and enjoy the movie. And then on Sunday, to help celebrate Father's Day, we are having a Crab with Dad event at Elizabeth River Park. This will be from 1 to 3 p.m. Bring your own crabbing supplies. Head on out to our fishing pier. Winners that catch the largest crab will receive a free hot dog, a bag of chips, and a drink from the park's snack shack. And also on Sunday at Elizabeth River Park, the One Love Caribbean Steel Drum Band will be out there from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. This is a free concert. Make sure you bring a chair, sit, and enjoy the tunes along the river. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you next week.